Hi everyone, welcome back to GeekYorker. I am Uppal Raj and today I will show you how to turn off the click sound in Assistive Touch on your iPhone. So if you hear a small click sound every time you use Assistive Touch and if you want to disable that, then open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on Accessibility and then under Physical and Motor section, click on Touch. Now select Assistive Touch option and then scroll down and under Pointer Devices section, turn off the toggle right to sound on click. And that's it. Now the clicking sound will stop and Assistive Touch will walk silently without any audio feedback. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to GeekYorker. Thanks for watching.